My Juice Ventures Sdn Bhd is a bottled juice company established during the COVID-19 pandemic to support local farmers affected by the MCO while addressing vitamin deficiency among Malaysians. With 4 years of experience, the company has grown from home-based production and online sales into a manufacturing and distribution business, supplying local retail store. Our main activity include production, distribution, marketing, and research and development to create product based on consumer demand. The company adopts a vertical organizational structure for efficient decision making, which with each manager overseeing specific department. Currently, Oh My Juice produces 3 ready-to-drink juice flavors, which is mango, guava, and melon, using a standardized production process from sourcing, washing, blending, bottling, packaging, and quality control.
Oh My Juice comes in 3 flavors: mango, guava, and melon, all made from high-quality, locally grown fruits. These are ready-to-drink bottled juices, so consumers can enjoy them anytime, anywhere. When it comes to production, we don't cut corners. Each bottle goes through a strict process, from processing and filling to sealing and labeling, to make sure every single product is hygienic, fresh, and consistent in quality. We also use food-grade glass bottles for safety and durability. And let's be honest, packaging matters. Our colorful and attractive labels are designed to catch the eye, especially of younger buyers who often make purchasing decisions based on how the product looks. With more people becoming health conscious and moving away from sugary drinks, our juice offers a tasty yet healthier alternative. In short, we are giving consumers exactly what they want: great taste and real health benefits, all in one bottle. Our target market is split into 3 key groups. First, students and young adults. They are always on the go, whether it's classes, work, or daily activities, and they want something convenient, affordable, and refreshing. Plus, they are drawn to our bright packaging and fruity flavors. Second, we have health-conscious consumers. These are people who actively check ingredients and sugar content before buying. They prefer fruit juice over sugary sodas, and our product fits perfectly into their healthier lifestyle. And third, we target retail and businesses customers such as convenience stores, restaurants, and grocery shops. They buy in bulk, which boosts our sales volume and help us reach a much wider audience. By covering all these groups, we ensure that Oh My Juice stays accessible, visible, and competitive in the market.
Okay, now I will explain about job order costing. Job order costing is used to calculate the cost for each production batch. This method is suitable for customized product because every batch is treated as a separate job. Based on our costing analysis, job order costing gives the highest unit cost among the 3 costing methods. However, it also provides the most detailed cost information, making it useful when company needs to monitor the cost of individual production batches. Next is activity-based costing, or ABC. ABC allocates production costs based on the activities performed during the manufacturing process. This method provides a more accurate overhead allocation, resulting in more precise product costing. Based on our analysis, ABC produces the lowest unit cost among the 3 costing methods, because overhead costs are allocated according to the activity used. Next is process costing. Process costing calculates the cost for continuous mass production and is suitable for standardized product. For Oh My Juice Ventures, this method fits well because the company produces bottled fruit juice continuously using the same production process. It is also easy to implement, requires less data collection, and is cost-effective for SMEs and provide reliable information for pricing and planning.
For this section, we compare 3 costing methods: job order costing, activity-based costing or ABC, and process costing to identify the most suitable method for Oh My Juice Ventures Sdn Bhd. Based on the analysis, ABC recorded the lowest unit cost for all product, while job order costing showed the highest and process costing remained in between. This difference mainly comes from how overhead costs are allocated. Job order costing is useful for customized product, but it is not suitable for our product because our juice production is repetitive and standardized. It also requires an extensive documentation. ABC provide the most accurate overhead allocation by tracing costs to specific activities. However, it is complex, costly, and requires detailed data, which may not be practical for an SME like ours. After evaluating all methods, we selected the process costing method as the best option. This is because it fit our continuous production system, offer reliable cost information, and is much simpler and cheaper to maintain. Although it is slightly less accurate than ABC, the cost difference is minimal and does not justify ABC higher the implementation cost.
Next, I will explain the importance of costing information for all my juice. Firstly, costing information helps in pricing decision. Since Oh My Juice operates in highly competitive market, we cannot simply set any selling price we want. By knowing the exact production cost, the company can maintain an average 70% profit margin for retail sales and 50% profit margin for bulk business orders while remaining competitive and avoiding losses. Secondly, costing information is essential for cost control. It allows management to compare standard costs with actual costs to identify any unfavorable variance, such as increases in food prices or packaging costs. In addition, activity-based costing or ABC helps identify non-value added activities so resources can be used more efficiently. Thirdly, costing information support profit planning. It enables the company to calculate its break-even point, which shows the number of bottles that must be sold to cover all operating costs. It also helps optimize the sale mix by focusing on products with higher contribution margins, such as promoting the most profitable juice flavor. Lastly, costing information improves production efficiency. It helps monitor material and labor waste, identify production bottlenecks, and ensure effective quality control. This improves productivity, reduces unnecessary costs, and maintains consistent product quality. Costing information plays a vital role in helping Oh My Juice make a better pricing, operational, and strategic decision while improving profitability and long-term business performance.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Now I would like to present section 5.0 Future Business Planning for all my youth ventures as the NBHD. Future business planning is essential to ensure the company's long-term growth and sustainability. As competition in the beverage industry becomes more intense, all managers needs to continuously improve its business performance to maintain profitability and strengthen its market positions. Based on our costing analysis, we propose three main strategies, which are cost reduction, market expansions, and operational improvement. First is cost reduction strategies. The costing analysis show that direct material costs make up the largest portions of production costs. Therefore, the company should reduce raw material expenses without compromising product quality. One recommendation is to change suppliers from local farmer to establish fruit suppliers such as Green Fusions SDNBHD or Confresh Malaysia. These suppliers are more experienced in handling bulk order, can offer more competitive prices, and provide a more reliable supply throughout the year. Another strategy is to replace glass bottles with food-grade plastic bottles. Plastic bottles are more affordable, and since All My Juice produce hundreds of thousands of bottles every year, this change can significantly reduce packaging costs. The savings can then be invested in future business expansions or research and development. In addition, investing in energy-efficient machinery can reduce electricity consumption and maintenance costs, leading to better cost efficiency in the long term. Next is market expansions. As more consumers prefer healthy beverage, Oh My Juice has a great opportunity to reach a wider market. The company should strengthen its online sales through platforms such as Shopee and TikTok Shop. By selling online, the company can reach customers beyond traditional retail stores and attract new customer segments. Besides that, Oh My Juice should also explore international markets such as Singapore, Brunei, and Thailand, where demand for healthier drinks is increasing. One practical way to enter this market is by participating in international trade exhibition organized by Matrade, which provide Malaysian businesses with opportunities to expand overseas at a lower cost. Finally, operational improvement is equally important. The company should invest in employee training to improve technical skill, productivity, and product quality. A clear standard operating procedure or SOP should also be displayed in every department to ensure consistent production process and minimize error. In addition, management should use costing information to identify activities that do not add value to the final product. By eliminating unnecessary activity, the company can reduce overhead costs, improve resource utilization, and focus on activity that create greater value for customer. In conclusion, by implementing these three strategies, cost reduction, market expansion, and operational improvement, Juice Ventures SDN BHD can strengthen its competitive position, improve profitability, and achieve sustainable long-term growth in both the local and global beverage industry. That's all from me. Thank you.